Are you tired of spending hours scrubbing your floors on your hands and knees only to be left with stubborn pet messes that just won't budge? Say goodbye to the hassle and hello to sparkling clean floors with the Bissell SpinWave Cordless PET Hard Floor Spin Mop. This innovative cleaning solution is designed to tackle tough pet messes with ease, leaving your hard floors looking and feeling refreshed. Let's dive into why this cordless spin mop is a game changer for pet owners and anyone seeking a convenient, effective way to clean their floors. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and order yours to start cleaning your home like a pro. Every purchase makes a difference. Not only does the Bissell SpinWave Cordless PET Hard Floor Spin Mop keep your floors clean, but it also helps save homeless pets. Bissell proudly supports the Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. So every time you purchase a Bissell product, you're not just investing in quality cleaning equipment, you're also contributing to a cause that's close to our hearts. Cordless freedom for effortless cleaning. Say goodbye to tangled cords and limited mobility with the Bissell SpinWave Cordless PET Hard Floor Spin Mop. Powered by an 18V lithium-ion battery, this cordless spin mop provides up to 20 minutes of runtime, allowing you to clean your hard floors throughout your home without the hassle of a cord. Enjoy the freedom to move from room to room without being tethered to an outlet, making cleaning a breeze. Powerful spinning mop pads for superior cleaning. Experience the cleaning power of rotating mop pads that do the work for you. The Bissell SpinWave Cordless PET Hard Floor Spin Mop features powerful spinning mop pads that restore your floor's natural shine even on tough, sticky messes. Whether you have wood, tile, linoleum, or other sealed hard floors, this spin mop is tough on messes yet gentle on surfaces, leaving them clean and refreshed. Safe and effective cleaning. Rest assured that your floors are in good hands with the Bissell SpinWave Cordless PET Hard Floor Spin Mop. Engineered to be safe on sealed hard floors, this spin mop powers through tough messes without damaging or scratching your floors. With on-demand spray control, you can easily control how much solution goes on the floor while cleaning, ensuring a thorough yet gentle clean every time. Complete cleaning solution. The Bissell SpinWave Cordless PET Hard Floor Spin Mop comes with everything you need to tackle even the toughest pet messes. With 2 soft touch pads, 2 scrubby pads, and 2 8-Ahs. Trial-size PET multi-surface formulas included, you'll have all the tools and cleaning solution you need to achieve sparkling clean floors with minimal effort. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.